Hey, what's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today, a little Joel's tech tip for you. I have a 2011 Sonata right here. The customer is complaining of clunking noise. We're just going to start it up and see if you guys can hear it. Seems like it feels like the steering wheel's loose or something like that. You may think it's the rack, you may think it's the intermediate steering shaft. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. We're going to get the column out and I'm going to show you exactly what goes on in these things. Okay, so after you have taken off all the, just trim and gotten the harnesses just kind of out of the way, we're going to leave this in the car. We're not going to take the columns directly out. We're just going to drop the column down. I'm going to show you what we're looking at here. Okay, so this is the EPS motor. We're going to mark it so that we're very, very careful as of the placement of where it goes back. If it moves, we will be in trouble. So I probably didn't say before, but we do have the batteries unplugged, or the battery is undone and everything, so we don't have any problems. We have two T30 or three T30 bolts back here. There's one back there, and then there's these two, and then this thing's just going to come off. We're going to be very, very careful to keep it in its exact location, and then I'm going to show you what we're changing. It's really stupid and really super easy, and it's something that you would never think about, but I'm going to show you. Okay, so being very, very careful, we're going to take this up and we're going to leave it in the exact same position. Okay, so this little rubber piece right here is called a coupler, and it is the cause of our noise. It's pretty much a dampener, so when you're turning the EPS or turning the steering wheel back and forth, it sits right in there. I know the lighting's kind of shitty, but it makes it so that you don't hear that noise. So it's just a small little part, and then we're going to pull it out and we're going to change it, and then be done with it. Okay, so once you've lined the lines back up and everything's all in and it's all torqued down, then you can put the column back up, and I'll show you that the noise is gone, all by changing this little guy. This thing's blown apart. Sometimes they're worse, sometimes they even look better than this. But this one's pretty pooched, so we're gonna get it back up, and I'm gonna show you that the noise is gone, and we're good to go. All right, all done and in. I just got to put the trim on. I always check first to make sure that everything's all good. The EPS light goes out and the noise is gone. Perfect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. A little tech tip on this little piece making all that noise. By the way, there is a bulletin on this little thing. I can put the bulletin number so that you guys can see it in the description, hopefully, if I can make that happen. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.